Bonjour, welcome to French Diaries. The topic for today is imperative tense. Imperative tense. So first, what is imperative tense and why we are using it? So we are using imperative tense to give command or to request or to give suggestions or to request somebody. Basically, we are using it for the command. So let's understand what is imperative tense. So the formation of imperative tenses, we don't use subject pronoun. We don't use subject pronoun in imperative tense, which means because we are giving command. Then we don't use s also in er verbs that we will discuss with the help of example, and we are using exclamation sign with the imperative tense. So let's understand. For example, pagle. Pagle means to speak. As per our rules, we don't use subject pronoun. So this is normal sentence. Tu pagle. This is with s. Tu pagle. But in imperative, this one is imperative. We'll say pagle without subject pronoun, and we are adding exclamation mark here. Pagle, which means speak. This means you are speaking or you speak. But imperative means speak. This is the command. And we are using imperative only with three forms, which are tu, nu, and vu. So we are using imperative with three forms only: tu, nu, and vu. So first one, pagle, direct order. If we are using nu form, paglon, which means let's speak. And if you are using vu form, which means this is a request mode, please speak. So pagle, speak. Paglon, let's speak. Pagle, please speak. I hope this is clear. So we don't use subject pronoun as per our discussion. Remove s from the er verbs. So we don't use s with the er verbs. This is only applicable to er, not with re and ir. Then we use exclamation sign with the sentence. So we have used exclamation mark to it. Clear? Let's discuss re verb attendre, to wait for. In normal sentence, tu attends, nous attendons, vous attendez. But in imperative, it will become attends, wait. Attendons, let's wait. Attendez, please wait. Or it's a polite way of saying wait. Then finir, ir verb, to finish. Example, tu finis, nous finissons, vous finissez. This is the normal conjugation of verb. Let's discuss imperative. Tu finis become fini, finish, finissons, let's finish, finissez, please finish. But this s rule is applicable to er, not with re and ir. There is no change in ir and re verbs. Let's discuss further. In negative imperative, it will be ne parle pas. Don't speak. We are sandwiching the verb with ne and pas. This is as normal we are doing, right? Ne parle pas. Don't speak. Ne parlons pas. Let's not speak. Ne parlez pas. Please don't speak. Correct? This is a polite way of saying something. Then in imperative with the interrogative, parle-t-il? Does he speak? Parlons-nous? Do we speak? Parlez-vous? Do you speak? Correct? So then let's discuss imperative with the help of few examples. It's a mixture of examples. So where we are using nous form, tu form and vous form. Parle-lui de tes projets pour le week-end. Parle-lui de tes projets pour le weekend. Speak to him about your plans of the at the weekend. Parle-lui de tes projets pour le weekend. Speak to him about your plans at the weekend. This is, we are using first form, tu form. This one. That's why we haven't used S here. This is imperative. Mangeons ensemble à la maison ce soir. Mangeons, nous form. Let's eat together at home this evening. Mangeons ensemble à la maison ce soir. So we haven't used subject pronoun in both the cases. Correct? This is object. This is not subject. Then this is tu form, this is nous form, and this is vous. Écoutez. Écoutez les instructions avant de commencer l'examen. Please listen to the instructions before the start of the exam. Écoutez les instructions avant de commencer l'examen. Clear? This parler verb, manger and écouter. Next one is regarde ce magnifique coucher de soleil derrière la montagne. Look at the coucher du soleil, sunset. Look at the magnificent sunset behind the mountain. Right? Derrière. Behind. Regarde ce magnifique coucher de soleil derrière les montagnes. Clear? Regarde, tu form. This is nous form. Finissons. Finir. Finissons nos devoirs avant de sortie. Let's finish our homework before leaving. Finissons nos devoirs avant de sortie. Clear? Vendre, to sell. Vends ton vieux vélo sur internet pour gagner de l'argent. Gagner is to earn. Sell your old bike on internet to gain the money or to earn money. Vends ton vieux vélo sur internet pour gagner de l'argent. Sell your old bike on internet to gain money or to earn money. Clear? Tu form. Réfléchis bien avant de prendre une décision. Réfléchis. To reflect or to think. Think well before taking a decision. Réfléchis bien avant de prendre une décision. Think well before taking a decision. I hope this imperative is clear, and this is the part 1. So we'll discuss more in the second part about imperative tenses. Correct? And if you have any queries, questions, you can always ask in the comment box. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe and share French Diaries. Thanks for watching. Au revoir.